Welcome to the TPS portal training. Let's start by learning how to view the daily distance and time usage of your intracity fixed contract vehicles at delivery centers. This is important because your payout is calculated based on the usage details shown in TPS. Number 1. Usage Summary. After you log into the TPS dashboard, click on the Intracity tab, then select the Regular tab. You will now see a summary of all active intracity fixed contracts with delivery. To view the daily usage of any contract, click the eye icon under the daily column. This opens the daily usage summary page for that contract. You can see each day's usage, including distance and duration for that vehicle. At the top, you'll see contract specific details, contract code, service period, vehicle details, present days in current month, contracted hours, grievances raised, total disputes raised by you. To raise a new one, click the Raise button. Max 5 disputes per contract each month. Below this, a detailed table shows vehicle reporting date, vehicle number, center, mark in, mark out information, time, the driver marked in, out. If done using driver app, phone number is shown duration, working time between mark in and mark out basis. GPS distance, distance traveled during shift. TPS uses this data to calculate billing. Usage confirmation shows if driver confirmed the day's usage. Number 2. Download Excel report. You can download an Excel summary of daily usage data. Click on the Download CSV icon on the top right of the usage summary page. Number 3. Usage confirmation. After finishing the shift, the driver must punch mark out on the driver app. Once marked out, the driver app will ask them to confirm distance and duration. This step is called usage confirmation. If the shown values are wrong, the driver can edit the distance and duration, then click Submit. Important notes. There is no restriction based on GPS signal for editing the distance. The driver must confirm usage within 6 hours from mark out time. If they don't confirm, the system will auto-confirm the usage. Even in auto mark-out cases, drivers can confirm within 6 hours if marking was done by driver. If driver edits distance or duration, a dispute is raised automatically. There is no limit on how many usage disputes a driver can raise. Delhivery usually closes these within 24 hours, and the driver can re-raise rejected dispute within 48 hours. Transporters can check usage confirmation status in the daily usage summary page. In the usage confirmation column, you will see one of the following statuses. Driver confirmed. The driver has reviewed and accepted the usage details, distance and duration without any changes. Claim under review. The driver edited the usage data and the updated values are currently being reviewed by Delhivery. Claim accepted. Delhivery has approved the driver's revised usage. These updated values will be used for billing. Claim rejected. Delhivery did not approve the driver's changes. The original system recorded values will be used for billing. Auto confirmed. The system automatically confirmed the usage because complete and undisputed data was recorded. To view full claim details, including distance, duration, and the phone number of the person who submitted the claim, click the info icon. Final note. Delhivery recommends only drivers raise usage disputes. There is no limit on how many they can submit. If a driver forgets, the transporters can still raise a dispute using the grievance raise process. But transporters' disputes are limited to 5 per contract per month. Thanks for watching. That's all for this section.